when they do put the hook on and try to hang it up on the tree, this will happen. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a prank that you guys can pull off at home on friends and family, especially if you haven't decorated your tree yet. So if your family hasn't put up the tree yet, or they're about to, you guys can pull off this easy prank on them. All you need is a little water balloon, and I'm gonna show you how to do that now. But before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button. 1,000 likes are appreciated. Check it out. Okay guys, so the reason why I chose a green balloon is because we'll be using a green ornament. So this ornament, guys, it comes with a hook that you can easily detach. But what I'm more interested in is the actual cap that's on the ornament. And this is a little decorative cap, as you can see right there, and it can easily be detached. Although you will need to add pressure to pull it off. Some will twist off and some you can easily just pull them out, just like I did right here. This you don't need, so save it for later. All you need is a little cap. Now, I'm gonna go to the restroom and I'm gonna fill up this balloon with water. And we're gonna try to pass it off as an ornament. So we're gonna try to do something creative this year. We can say to whoever's decorating the tree, and we can tell them, hey, I got this water balloon ornament. I wanna hang it up. And then you're gonna give it to them, and that's when the prank is gonna be executed. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go fill up this balloon right now. All right, let's fill it up. All right, it doesn't have to be too big. This will do. And then once you have enough water in there, you twist the balloon so the tip is twisted. Once you twist the tip just enough, you're gonna fold it down, and while folded, you're gonna insert the little cap over it. So it should contain it, guys. And that's it. It looks like a water balloon ornament, and it looks legit, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty real. You can't really tell it's been booby trapped at all.
Not at all. But here's the fun part. There's two ways that this can go. One, you hand it to them, and when they grab it, they can grab it by the tip, which is the cap. So they'll grab it and this will pull off, and that will happen. That's one of the ways that this can play out. Another way is the following. All right, let's fill up the same balloon once again. And we're gonna repeat the process. If your victim doesn't grab the balloon ornament by the tip, which is the cap, that's fine. It still hasn't set off yet. But when they do put the hook on and try to hang it up on the tree, this will happen. and also it will actually drop. Oh. So they'll try to hook it up on the tree, and when they do place it on, it's gonna fall. Yeah, it's gonna get them good. So that's a fun way that you guys can entertain yourself while decorating a Christmas tree, pulling pranks on your loved ones. See how simple that was? The outcomes vary, but you'll definitely make a mess with this prank. For more simple Christmas prank ideas, guys, please check out my channel. There I have lots more pranks and booby traps you guys can set up on friends and family this holiday season. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you subscribe. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. If you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to set up simple pranks for Christmas, remember that I have lots more at my channel, youtube.com/Nextraker. Make sure to stop by and check those out. Also, while you're there, why not subscribe? It doesn't take much effort. All it takes is the click of a button or a tap with your finger. Thanks for the amazing support, pranksters. I'll see you guys in my next video.